Meaning of her.
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 Her. Her is a pronoun used to refer to a female person or animal. It can be used as a subject, object, or possessive pronoun depending on its function in the sentence. The word her is commonly used in everyday language and literature to refer to women or girls. It is important to use gender-neutral language when appropriate to avoid perpetuating stereotypes or marginalizing individuals based on their gender identity. Overall, her is a common pronoun that plays an important role in language and communication.